Hello. When we try to make an opinion about somebody else without entering in a relationship with this person, we risk to go very, very wrong. Herod, after killing John the Baptist, is persecuted. His conscience is really in a bad state. So even good things that Jesus are administering are making a meaning for him and feeling of anxiety. And he tries to guess who is Jesus. And he tries to be informed by other people. And he and other people who give him their opinions mostly are based on opinions, mostly are based on guesses. Okay, it appears to me that this is possible. It appears to me that this is possible. But they are not based on a real contact, on a real relationship. So the gospel of today is inviting us in our everyday life to base our opinion, to base our insight more on real relationships, and it is not only between us humans that we, rather than base on our opinion of other people, we try to learn somebody in his or her whole complexity in a real contact, which can sometimes hurt, which can sometimes be full of joy, but it is our experience. And this touches also our relationship with God, not based on what we know about God, but on real experience which we make during our prayer. Thank you.